Selling courses online has never been easier. With WooCommerce and Academy LMS, you can create a seamless e-learning platform that integrates powerful e-commerce features. In this video, I'll show you how to sell courses using WooCommerce and Academy LMS. First, ensure that the WooCommerce plugin is installed and activated. Next, click on Settings in WooCommerce. Open the Accounts and Privacy tab. Uncheck Enable Guest Checkout. Check Enable Login during checkout beside the Checkout section. In the Account Creation section, check the option for customers to create an account before placing their order. Click Save Changes to apply the settings. Go to the Academy LMS add-on menu, search for WooCommerce and turn it on. Go to eCommerce Engine under Payments in the Academy LMS settings. Set WooCommerce as the eCommerce engine. Click Save to apply this setting. Now you'll find new sections under Payments, WooCommerce, Earnings, and Withdrawals. From the WooCommerce section, you can modify various settings to fit your needs. Customize earning menus and adjust withdrawal options as required. Let's move on to making a course paid by the Navigating Course menu of Academy LMS. You can do this with an existing course or by creating a new one. In this tutorial, we'll edit an existing course. Select the course you want to make paid. In the Course Type area, select Paid. If you have the Academy LMS Pro version, it will automatically create a product for the course. Otherwise, you can manually select an existing product. Set your desired sale price and regular price for the course. Click the Update button at the top right to save your changes. Click on the permalink to view the paid course. You'll see the price displayed, and users can now add the course to their cart and purchase it through WooCommerce. And that's it. You've successfully integrated WooCommerce with Academy LMS and created a paid course. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.